Hello guys. So Python set is a unordered collection of unique items. Like we studied in list and tuple, they were ordered collection. But set is a unordered connection. Like if you a and it is represented by curly brackets. Lists were represented by square brackets. Tuple was represented by normal brackets, and set will be represented by curly brackets. You can see that. So when you use a is equals to curly brackets and put some values, and uh, it will just and when you print a, it will not print in order that you have put it in. It will print as randomly. It will print it randomly. And if you uh, like some repeat like 20 and one, again 20, if you do this, it will print 20 only once as it is set. You can see that. And if you have studied in maths, set it has same properties as set. We will also learn union and intersection in these sets. So yeah, you can see that printing it in an ordered set is like this. When you print a type of a, it's set as you have expected. So yeah, it just what I told you that 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, it will just print once only as it is unordered. So it is also separated by commas. Uh, and as it is unordered, obviously it will not support indexing, so you cannot print any element like s and give it index 1. It is unordered, so no indexing will be supported. Okay, so we'll go to python dictionaries. For those who know data sets, you can tell that python dictionary is more like hash tables, where you have a table, where you have a table, and it has two columns and multiple rows, and one column is key and other is value. Just like a is the key, and in a the value apple is stored, just like, and it will be separated by commas. And just like b is a key and value bat is stored, this is also represented by curly brackets, but it is represented like this: a colon and then value which you have to want to store in that key. A will be called as key and apple will be called as value. So when you print D and key, you have to give key to print. It will not support indexing, right? Dictionary and set will not support indexing. You have to give key for dictionary and you print for set for that. Okay, so when you print A, it gives apple. So if you try to print C, which is not in the dictionary, let's see what happens. Syntax error. Syntax error. There will be an error, but I don't think it will be syntax error. Yeah, keyword error, key error. There will be key error as C is not a key in this dictionary which we have given. Okay, so this was dictionaries. Conversion of data types. Float 5. It means we want to convert 5 into float. It is a simple syntax, you can see it. Float 5 and it will convert it into float. Just like int 100.5. It will give you int value of 100.5. Stir 20 stir 20 means string, so it will give you string of 20. You can see that, you can check that by comma, apostrophe. And conversion from string, it is not possible actually, because we cannot convert p a b c into int, so it will give you error, value error obviously. This is an example. We take a variable called user, put a string value Satish, take lines and put a int value 100. Then we print congratulations user as value Satish, plus it is just a syntax, plus user, plus we just wrote, plus str lines. It means string value for lines. Lines you can see here is int, but we are changing it to string, plus lines of code. Congratulations. Then output you can see congratulations Satish, you have wrote 100 lines of code. So yeah, this was an example of conversion. So now A, we have a list A123. We print type A. It will give type list as obviously for square brackets. We use square bracket for list. We have S is equals to set A. It means we are changing the type, data type. It means we are converting list into a set, obviously. Then we print S. It will give set. So you can see we can convert list to sets, dictionaries to no, I don't know, but we'll see. We can convert dictionary list to tuples, tuples to list set, anything. Okay, and list hello. We put string and convert it into a list. It will show like this, and which will be separated by commas. You can see the cursor. You can see that commas list hello. Okay, so thank you guys. We have done the variables part and state types of data types. Thank you. If you have any questions.